Hello everyone, it's Amanda from Crystal Coast Originals. Thank you so much for checking out my video. So this is the painting you guys are going to see in the video today. It is a swipe and spin and it's on a round canvas. I usually do these on rectangular canvases, but I'm really liking how the round canvas turned out. I think it looks really cool. The lacing looks very beautiful and intricate. I'm also going to be teaching a Dutch pour class on June the 20th from 6 to 8 p.m. at the Art and Craft Space in Oxford, North Carolina. So if you guys are from North Carolina, Virginia, or surrounding areas, and you'd like to take the class, I'll have more info in the description box, and there's also going to be more info on my website, crystalcoastoriginals.com. I think that's it, you guys. I hope you enjoy the video, and I'll see you next time.